In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. If you're looking to organize upcoming tasks and keep your planning clean and flexible, a well-structured backlog is a great place to start. Begin by opening the space or folder where you want your backlog to live. Keeping the backlog inside the right space or folder helps you keep related work together and makes it easier for your team to find. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace area so everything stays organized from the start. Next, create a new list. Click the plus button to add a new list and name it Backlog. You can add a short description like tasks to be prioritized later to make its purpose clear for anyone who visits the list. Then click Create List. Think of a list as the container for all future ideas, requests, or to-dos that aren't ready to be scheduled yet. Now start adding tasks to your backlog. Click Add Task. Give it a clear, action-oriented title and fill in the details. This is where context matters. Add a concise description so future you or your teammates understand what the task is about without digging through messages. If it helps, include relevant links, attachments, or notes. Repeat this for each task you want to capture. Don't worry about perfect order or timing yet. The backlog is simply your holding area for everything you might do. Open a task and set its status to backlog using the status drop-down. If you don't see a backlog option, you can create a custom status called backlog to reflect that these tasks aren't active yet. Keeping a dedicated backlog status makes it crystal clear what's waiting to be prioritized, and it helps you separate planning from execution. Be consistent with the naming so your filters and reports stay clean. With your list created and tasks added, view your backlog in List View. All the tasks you've captured will appear here. From this view, you can filter by status, sort by priority or date, and quickly scan for what should move forward next. When you're ready to work, you can drag tasks into your sprints or into active lists. This makes the handoff from planning to doing smooth and visible for the whole team. And that's how you create a backlog in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.